Well, I did it again. I started a project before I thought about, hey, I should film this. So this is what my door, just did some wiping down of my outer. I fixed the window, I have some new cameras, I'm doing some updating and upgrading of my mobile home. And here's where I am so far. Doing some cleanup. I'll show more of the changes in garden, and so both my doors are this white, plain white. I'll take you and show you. Right now I'm still in the process of some cleaning up. So here is, this is the new garden setup. I've moved plants into there. Some new plants in there and there. And there's my front door. I have this yellow mobile home. And I did some wipe down of the walls in here, trying not to use water. So I use citrus cleaner and vinegar. And clean these up. I removed some cat climbing stuff. We're in the process of getting rid of some more junk. I have this whole pile of junk here that needs to go. And some things to donate. And I'm painting my doors. I decided to give my doors a new look. Little complimentary paint color pop of the doors. I don't really have a good way to set this up to film, and I have someone helping me, so I am not going to film the process, but I will show you periodic updates on how things are coming along. So now we've gotten some cleanup done. More cleanup, that is. This is an ongoing deal. So I continued to clean the walls. I got the doors all painted. I'm working on this area. I need to cut down some plants up there. I'll be working on that. And I still have a lot more to do over here. But these are all supplies I use a lot, so I need to do those last to organize them. And here is planting area. I have to fix the chair from getting things taken away. This is in the process of being cleaned up, and there's Sparkle. My other doors painted. There's the key. She loves to hang out there on the patio. And there's Bodie. And here I've gotten some more done. I got the plants cleaned up and this all swept up. And cleaned up a little more. Still a work in progress. And got some more done out here. And you can see that's all cleaned up now. So I'm getting closer. Hopefully be done by the end of the year.